Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to extract zip files using your smartphone. So we'll be making use of two applications. Your file manager which can be a system app on your phone, or Files by Google, which you can download from Google Play Store, or it can also be a system app on your phone. So open Files by Google and go to downloads, which might be the possible location of your zip files. Yes, when you go to download and you have a file that you downloaded that is a zip file, just click on that file. This is how zip files look, as if there is a zip on it. Once you click on it, click on extract, and it will extract. You can click on delete zip file if you don't want it to still remain there. Once you've extracted the deleting the zip file does not do anything to the ones that you've extracted. So you can also use your file manager to achieve this. Zip files are just they're archive files. They are a popular file compression format that people just use to save their files, compressing files together. And when you want to extract it, you are uncompressing it and it doesn't lose its value. But once it's in that zip format, it can conserve space for you. So once you extract it, you restore it to the original format. You can use your files file manager, as I've done here, or your Google files, like Files by Google, which is also an app you can download from the Play Store. So this is where I'm gonna end this video. Hope you got some value. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Bye for now.